What is up, Squares? My name is Johnny Z, and my excitement levels are approaching Sister Bear and Too Much Birthday because I just got my very first drone. The DJI Mavic Pro Fly More package is hopefully what's in here. So let's see what that has got inside of it. There are a lot of options you can get with drones, and this one had everything I was looking for. The imagery looks great. It's reportedly easy to fly, which is important to me as a new pilot. And it has all kinds of features like return to home, so you can hit a button and it'll come back right to where it took off. Don't know what that is yet. Fly More combo package. So I'm gonna open this first. Everyone wants to see this. So inside we got the drone itself, controller, instruction manuals, some cordage, and the charger. And the Fly More combo is extra batteries, extra chargers, and propellers, because I'm sure I'm gonna run into something eventually. The case everything fits in. That is awesome. So it's been a while since my last little recording there, and still haven't flown it. I tried. I took it to Albouville, and it started raining on me immediately. It was probably for the best because I didn't have the most current firmware installed, so that's what I'm going to do right now.
The firmware on your Mavic can be upgraded with the DJI Go app.
Alright, I think everything's updated. Well, let's go fly it. I'm so nervous right now. We got a baseball game or something going on over there. And some turtles laying eggs, I think. I think this was the guy in our yard earlier. There's a pond over there. You can't see it. You have to trust me, but that's where we're going to take them. So far, no loss of toes or fingers. It's crazy. Here's another one. A little less intimidating. That was awesome. It didn't crash and it survived landing. We'll see what the footage looks like, although I don't really care. I was just hoping not to crash it and learn how to fly it. So, well, you'll see the footage, like right now. Successful flight. Now I gotta go get some B-roll. Catch you in the next one. Legato.